Morning, Dad. I miss you. Get the new one. How's it, guys? It's Fix It Angel. Thank you for joining with me. This is a 2014 Mazda 5 Sport. I'm going to do the passenger side axle. The outer boot is torn, so my friend said just replace it. So I said, alright. Thank you, Lord Jesus Christ, for another day. Starting to rain. That's what it is right there. 32. Don't lose that. Look at this. Shit. It wasn't on good, motherfucker. Should be on good now. Let's put this one on. There you go, got more space now. 14. Oh, there's a nut in the back. We could take this one out. There's a nut right there. Don't lose that. What the heck? Oh yeah, that'll work. Up more. Let's go hit it. Oh shit. Oh shit. Almost hit the fucking floor. A little bit more. Oh. Now let's try that again. Let's go spray some shit in there. Check what's inside there. Nothing. Put it down. Up right here. There we go. Come on. Oh shit. Almost ate the fucking ground. There we go. Yep. One more. Oh, got it out. Take that one out. There you go. Yes. That's it. Oh shit. Okay, hold on. This one's better. With the BFH. Big fucking hammer. Slam it out. Oh, shit. Oh, there we go. Yes. Let's get the new one. Snap it on. Just slam it in. Oh shit. C-clip right there. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Why aren't you going in? 1, 2, 3. Motherfucker. Is it going in? Alright, got it in. Got it in. It's about fucking time. Motherfucker's hard. Alright, double check. It's good. Alright, let's put back everything. Alright guys, thank you for watching. That is how I changed the passenger side CV axle. Please like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you on my next video. God bless and peace. Cut.